$84 versus $130 on comparable listings. Is OLIGHT Arc Pro Ultra ONYX worth moving on today?
The asking price is $84, and similar listings are around $130. So buyers are still seeing a helpful value gap.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
We found 29 similar active listings, and we are confident this is a solid value opportunity.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Here is the buyer context. This flashlight is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone needing a reliable light source, particularly in dark or expansive areas, given its operating range of 205 meters.
Bottom line for today's viewer.
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.
$220 versus $313 on comparable listings. Is ASKGO lightweight folding Ebike 1500W worth moving on today?
The asking price is $220, and similar listings are around $313. So buyers are still seeing a helpful value gap.
How confident are we in that pricing call for someone shopping today?
The evidence is strong here, with 24 comparable active listings, and we are confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Practical, everyday fit. This electric bike is ideal for adults seeking a lightweight, compact solution for urban commuting or recreational riding, especially in areas with rough terrain due to its triple shock absorption system.
Bottom line for today's viewer?
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.
$75 versus $339 on comps. That gap on Stardum Golf Simulator Enclosure Kit is what makes this a flip.
The asking price is $75, and similar listings are around $339, so buyers are still seeing a helpful value gap.
How confident are we in that pricing call for someone shopping today?
We found 23 similar active listings, and we are confident this is a solid value opportunity.
Give shoppers the practical angle in one line.
Practical, everyday fit. This enclosure kit is best for golf enthusiasts, both beginners and experienced players, who want to practice in a realistic and distraction-free environment.
One sentence decision takeaway.
Pricing and evidence line up well here, so this one is worth a closer look, while this value is still available.
$130 ask, $210 market, used right-hand tailor-made, has a clear value gap right now.
The asking price is $130, and similar listings are around $210, so buyers are still seeing a helpful value gap.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
The evidence is strong here, with 27 comparable active listings, and we are confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Practical, everyday fit. This tailor-made P790 UDI-2 iron is best suited for men seeking a reliable club with a regular flex, ideal for various shots on the golf course.
Final call before we move to the next listing.
Pricing and evidence line up well here, so this one is worth a closer look while this value is still available.